In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly remove objects or unwanted things within your photos here in Apple Photos on your iPhone. So as you can see here, here's a picture of my kids at Halloween. And if we reset the edits that I've made, you can see there's a bunch of cars and images behind them in the parking lot. And if we cancel out, this is kind of what that original image looks like. But I'm going to show you how to remove the unwanted objects in your photos. First things first, though, you need to open up your settings in your iPhone here and make sure that you're running the most recent version of iOS. So if we go to General here and go to About, you should see at the top where it says iOS version. Yours should be 18.1 or later. So it might be 18.2, 3, maybe even 19, who knows? But it needs to be 18.1 or later, so make sure you update your iOS if you haven't already. Then navigate over to your Photos app and choose the photo that you want to remove the objects from. So once we're here, what we want to do is at the bottom of the photo, we're going to see the little adjustment knobs there right next to the eye with the circle around it. If we tap on the adjustment tab or adjustment knobs there, it will bring up all of the different settings and things that we can do within the native Photos app here on our iPhone. The option we want to select is Clean Up. It has an eraser icon and it says Clean Up. Go ahead and tap on Clean Up. Now, it will begin a process. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, maybe a couple of minutes, depending on the amount of things that are in the image. Now, what we can see is there are a few things in the background, if I zoom in, that are being highlighted. You can see it there. There's a car. It has kind of like that glow to it. And if we zoom back out, you can see all of the cars and people in the background are being highlighted. These are not the only objects that you can remove. So if I wanted to, let's just say I wanted to focus in on one of my daughters here, say the one on the left, I can actually color in objects to select them as well. So if I go here and I color in, let's say I want to go ahead and color in my youngest daughter here, you can see that I can kind of use this option here to color in where she is on the image, and it will select her. So if I do a good job there, and boom, instantly it removes it. Again, it works very well for most objects. So if we go here, we're going to undo that. We can select the cars in the background by just tapping them. So I tapped on that car there, and it will automatically remove it. So if I tap on that object there, you can see it will automatically remove that person. I tap on the next person here, and it begins to remove everything that I'm tapping. The cars in the background there, boom, it removes those. The car in the very back, I tap on it, it removes that. And if I wanted to, I could color in this little object here. It'll select that. I can tap on it, and boom, it removes it. And I can just slowly go in and color in objects to remove them like that car. And as you can see, as I begin to work, it's removing all of the unwanted elements from my photo. Now, when you're done, I'm going to go ahead and color in these last few objects here in the back. I'm going to tap on them to remove them. I'm going to color in this little guy here. Oh, I did a wrong selection. It kind of auto-selects for me, and we're good to go. So again, that's how you remove the objects from the picture by either coloring in and tapping or just doing the auto detect from the cleanup feature. Now, if you ever go back and you remove something that you don't want to, you can hit the little arrow pointing to the left in the upper left-hand corner of the screen like so, and it will undo that cleanup. And the one pointing to the right will actually redo the option, the thing that you just undid. So once you're done, what you want to do is go ahead and tap the Done button at the top. But if you want to reset it to its original version, you just tap Reset there at the very top, tap Done, and now you have a photo. As you can see here, once it saves the photo, you have a photo with all of the unwanted objects removed from the image. So as you can see, here's the saved image, and if I scroll to the image again, there it is with all of the cars in the background, and here it is to the right with all of the cars removed from the background. You can always go back in. So if we wanted to, we could hit the adjustment option here, and we could go to the cleanup feature once more, and we could go here and we could color in an object like, oh, I missed something. There's a person. Boom. Automatically removes them right there from the image, and hit Done, save again, and you're good to go. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.